Alrighty, I got another project I'm starting on. I just got two of these today. These are Ross Rossplate, as they call them. Number 4 tubular switches. Um, really nice. The reason I got these was because I wanted to add in a crossover right here. Turn this sideways. Oh, that's going to look on the video. Maybe I need to go back to that. And I was going to cut one in right here with the right hand, and at some point here, do left hand so they can switch tracks, or I may just do these one. And obviously, I couldn't use these American pliers to make a crossover. The radius would be ridiculous, and it would look really stupid. But so anyway, before I had those Ross number 72s, same dimensions as a line L 72 or K line, and these are number 4s, kind of their own number 4. And I like it because the straight leg of the turnout is, the diverging route, I should say, are straight. They're not curved, so you don't get this S turn in here when you're switching, from one track to another. I took the switch machines off because I wanted to come in here and do some filing and cleaning up these edges and stuff like I do, because I get a little rough spots on them, Anyway, I've cleaned these up and I've tested them electrically and everything. They're seem to be in pretty good shape, but I noticed with this rail here and this rail here don't really get power. Of course, from this end you get power to here, but so it's picking up your common over here on this side and then on this side. So I may run a jumper across here. I don't know why they're like that, but when I was testing them, that's what I was seeing. Anyway, it come with the DZ 2500, and I've never used any of those, but I took them off to clean these points up a little bit. But they're really nice. I ran some engines through there on my bench, and they pretty smooth. Only had one engine have a little bit of a hang up, and I'm not really sure why. But as I've said before, any of your freight cars and diesels just about go through any kind of turnout without a problem. You don't notice the problems. It's always the steam locomotives that have a problem. They get, kind of hung up on something. And anyway, that's just kind of my thing. But this is going to be my latest project. This is right here in the front of right in the very front of the layout where I can get to it without having to reach. I like to put all the turnouts as close as I can within reach. And I may just put a switch stand on here, Caboose Industries or something, because I really don't need electrical switches right here in front of me. Although I may do it just because they got some cool LED lights on it. I don't know. We'll see. And one thing I did notice too was these ties are wide. They're not quite as wide as these wooden ones I've got. I haven't put these down yet because I knew I would be doing some more track work. But it looks pretty good together, like that. Kind of looks like the old, the K-line shadow rail track. Can't find that stuff anymore. Well, I mean, you can, but it's outrageously priced. But anyway, just wanted to get a glimpse of these. I hadn't seen any of these on YouTube on any layout that I know of, and I picked these two up, got them at a good price. Really good stuff. What is so cool too is I noticed that one of these rails was kind of sticking up a little high, and I unscrewed these, and you can pop these rails out, and I kind of cleaned it up a little bit, then put it back on. It's so cool. You can take all these rails off with these screws, Anyway, when I get them mounted down, I'll do a part 2 and show them with stuff running through there, give you a better idea. I was just kind of excited about them because I got them and wanted to show them off a little bit. It's Ross makes. I wish they made a whole full line of regular tubular rail track. The only other pieces I know they make, I think they make a 3-inch straight, and then they make a curve part to turn this back straight at a yard. I don't know what you would call that piece. You know, and the center to center spacing on these is 4 inches. You know, you can't do that with an 072. I think it goes out to 5.5 or something. I mean, you can do it, but you know. Anyhow, it'll be kind of cool when I get it done. Maybe I can get it done this weekend. I don't know. But we'll see. But just wanted to show them off and tell you about my next new project. All for now.